Hi friends, Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world, and Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs. In this year, many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference to the society and make Rotary seen. In this year, we started a novel concept called as BizBiz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Friends, the BizBiz Talk Show is a hot from oven initiative to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of the selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, that's a bariatric surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And I'll be your host on the Biz Talks. Friends, we've got a very special guest today, a Rotarian of more than 2 decades of Rotary experience, a Rotarian from one of the most illustrious clubs in District 3141, a club which has given a district governor. Yes, friends, she is none other than Harsha Dawawala from Rotary Club of Mumbai Dahisar, a president of 2009-10, banker by profession. She loves to learn new things, reading is her passion, likes to travel, does food blogging and whatnot. But friends, from my end, she is a person of integrity. She's a person of ethics. She's a person of values. And when you give her a task, consider it done. With these short words of introduction, friends, I present before you my dear friend, Rotarian Harsha Dawawala from Rotary Club of Mumbai Dahisar.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you so much for such a nice, lovely words for me. Thank you very much.
Harsha, you deserve each and every word of what I said because हर एक word जो मैंने आपके लिए कहा है वो दिल से है. It is not just for the sake of interview. It is that we really know what kind of a person you are, and so such words will keep coming from our mouth whenever we speak about you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Once again, thanks.
Friends, Harsha has been given a very important position in the year 2021. She's one of the prime members in the team in 2021. Why do I say prime members? Friends, what is the success for any project? What is the success for any year? What is the success to any exam? It is training. When there is effective training, your foundations are strong. And if your foundations are strong, you can open up your arms and achieve whatever you want to achieve. Success will be with you if you are well trained. And friends, she is the assistant trainer for District 3141 in the year 2021. So friends, once again, I present before you our jewel, a trainer for the Visioneer, Rotarian Harsha Dawawala.
Thank you. Thank you.
Harsha, we've worked together quite a lot in the past few years,
Yes.
but like me and many other people who know you as a Rotarian, but don't know you so much on your personal front. Let us know something about you on personal front and also about your family.
My husband is past president Rotarian Vikram Dawawala from the same club. Though he was not so keen to go ahead in district, so he always encouraged me that if you wish, you can go ahead. And I'm always ambitious and like to learn new things. So I decided to go ahead to put my step forward in district for administration side. See, we all know that we have come from the grassroots level because once when we are a president, we work at the grassroots level. But I was very keen to learn admin side also, how to train the people, how to work with the president as assistant governor. And I'm really telling you, it was one of the wonderful experience. We are blessed with one daughter. She's married. She's dentist by profession, Dr. Pooja Desai. She has her own clinic in Andheri, Lokhandwala, Oshiwara area. By profession, I'm a banker. In fact, you'll be surprised. I have already put on 39 years of service with Central Bank of India and still 1.5 years to go before my retirement. And I'm really enjoying my job also because that's a restricted hours and I get time to do my other commitments like I do my social activities, my friend circle, my kitty party, and everything I enjoy besides working with a bank. So I always feel I am blessed that I am in bank.
Fantastic. But being in a bank, there is so much that we can learn from you. Learn from you is what is integrity, what are the values that one person should carry on, because there are so many responsibilities. You're handling someone else's cash, handling someone else's accounts. So responsibility on you is quite a bit, and you have been doing these responsibilities so well over the past 39 years. I never knew that you are 39 years into practice. You never look like that. Anyways, it's a pleasure to know you so better now.
Thank
Let
you.
us know something more about your hobbies.
Basically, I love embroideries, but nowadays with the age, that needle problem is always there, eyesight problem. So I have stopped that. But recently, I have started some paintings and all. In this, that's a thanks to lockdown period, because I could do that. And I love to read, especially spiritual books, Bhagavad Gita and all. And actually, it's you can say it's a contra. I love to read spirituals also, and I'm a die-hard fan of Jeffrey Archer.
Okay.
It's a contradiction, but I love to read and traveling. Apart from that, from last 2-3 years, I started developing the hobby of food blogging. So nowadays, before lockdown, it was a scenario that every alternate day I had to go for food blogging in best of the restaurants. And though keeping with my fitness in mind, I used to eat little, but it's worth an experience, because in the food blogging industry, there are all youngsters who are in the age of 18, 19 to 25, 27. And with them, I go as a food blogger. So it's like, Auntie, aap ye khao, Auntie, aap wo khao. And I learn so many new things from them. So I always feel energetic when I'm there with them. So that's the recent hobby I had developed.
Fantastic. Harsha, actually, I didn't know that you were a food blogger. In the month of April, when there was this lockdown going on, I'm a bariatric surgeon, a weight loss surgeon.
Yeah.
And I have my own specialty, weight loss surgery center at Bolon. But I'm also the bariatric surgeon with Hinduja and Raheja hospitals.
Yeah.
So what we do, we keep doing some events every now and then. And this time in the month of April, when there was lockdown going on, we had organized a food champ contest. That was a recipe contest.
Okay.
Would you believe that in a matter of 15 days, we got 133 entrants?
Oh.
And then we had prize and all these things. And we also have our own recipe booklet, because since I'm into bariatric surgery, people sometimes feel कि weight loss surgery करवा लिया तो खाने पीने को कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. But here we have created a recipe booklet with more than 400 recipes in all stages of diet: liquid diet, soft diet, pureed diet, and full diet. So we added the first 20 participants who ranked first 20. We have added their recipes also in the booklet. I will share that booklet with you. But if I would have known that you are a food blogger, I would have taken you as one of the guests for our show. I would have taken you as one of the judges on the show. But good, I have at least got to know about you now. These are good hobbies, and I'll definitely connect with you on this. We can really make this very worthwhile for everyone.
Sure.
And I will also send you my recipe booklet, which is Love at First Bite.
Yeah, sure. I would love to have it.
Coming back to Rotary now, Harsha, you have been doing your bit, and you've made your ideas very clear that you're ambitious. You want to do something more. You want to do something more on administration side. And I'll just tell you very frankly, today, DG Sunil and myself as the chief coordinator, we are on the lookout of people like you. So you all feel that when you come to a higher post, it is something for you. No, actually, we are more on the lookout for people like you, because हमें अच्छे लोग चाहिए जो responsibility ले सके और काम करे. So now you are on my radar, and we will ensure that you have to keep working for Rotary, and you will be given more and more responsibilities in time to come.
Okay.
And thank you so much for making your ideas so open and clear in front of us. If I would have known this earlier, possibly you would have been given many more responsibilities too. But here, this year has just started.
Yeah.
And mind you, we are there to ensure that we work together very closely, very strongly to take Rotary 3141 to the greatest of heights.
Sure. It will be my
Now let us know something about your responsibilities for the year 2021. What has happened and what you intend to do in the months to come.
See, basically, we are two assistant trainers under District Secretary Deepak Chaudhary. And we had decided that first we will meet individually all the presidents. So we had 1 or 2 rounds of presidents all together. There was no bifurcation ki these are the presidents under me as a or these are under Vikas. We all had met and we really had a very fruitful time. On that at that time only there was such a special bonding, and it helped us in pre-pets also. I think in pre-pets also we were in the top in the skid position also. And after that, regarding the training, first and foremost, I asked all the presidents which type of trainings you require, whether you want this 5 avenues type training, TRF membership, and how it is. Then everybody basically of the opinion that these 5 topics we can take anytime, whenever, I mean, this new generation and club admin and all. But the VIP topics and other topics which were RI citation, DG citations, and IP projects, uh, they said ki we want this training in first phase. So I contacted with all the district dignitaries, and I had arranged the training session of almost 3.5 hours for them. DG Sunil Mehra was there, Arun Bhargav was there, Kamlesh was there, Ajit Dubey was there. And in fact, everybody appreciated that training, including Shashi Sharma. He appreciated that. Then after that training, I asked each and every president individually whether you want any other trainings on these areas. They said at present they don't want, but if anything is there, they will let me know that how we have to proceed. In fact, one of the club has asked me if they want to form one Rotaract club and one Interact club. So how we have to go about it? I said, okay, then I have talked with the new generation director also from the district, and I'll be talking with them 1-to-1. So this is still now we have done it. They are going to have their club assemblies very soon. I think one club is having tomorrow club assembly. So she has invited me to you please be the part of the club assembly. So if anything is there, you can let us know about that, and I'll be attending that assembly also.
Fantastic. This is lovely, lovely thought, lovely planning. And I feel that the way you all have planned the year and you all are executing it, most of the things that we want to train people is going to be at its best, because you all are the trainers and you all have taken upon yourself that you want to create a strong foundation. There have been so many new projects which have come up in this year, and till the time you don't educate them about the projects, they will not be confident about it. When they are not confident, the president will not pass that to the club members with confidence. So amazing job that you all have done, and you all have fulfilled probably all the expectations which DG Sunil had from each one of you all, and you all have done with so much of finesse. Plus this year you are also aware that your tasks are not limited only to the start of July, start of the year, but entire year you all are going to be involved. So this year is going to be different for trainers, where you are not going to be sitting silent till 30th of June 2021. And I am sure people like you who are so enthusiastic are always willing to take up more opportunities and more challenges. Thank you so much, Harsha. It has been a pleasure speaking to you. You have been a lovely interview, and everything that you have spoken is so much with experience. Everything that you have spoken is so much with clarity of thoughts. I'm sure myself, all the other 5,800 Rotarians and even non-Rotarians will benefit from whatever you have said today. Some of them who have similar hobbies and likings like you would also like to connect with them, like you would like to connect with you and ensure that you all can grow your hobbies together.
Sure.
Thank you so much for your presence. It was a thorough pleasure hosting you on this talk show.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harsha.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, Manish.